Well, today my work brought me to a place called Jasper, Oregon, and I am in love with this place. It's gorgeous. I'm here at this little park. I hope it's called Pengra. The name's right there on the sign. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know, but it's pretty neat here. This is the Willamette River here in front of me. It's gorgeous, beautiful area. Can't wait to come back here to spend some more time. There's all kinds of stuff around here. There's a national park on the other side of the river over there. Not a national park, I'm sorry, a state park on the other side of the river over there. It's closed September 30th for the season, but you're gonna have to come and check this area out. You got Fall Creek, which is as big as a river, coming in here. And then you have the Willamette River coming in over here, and all kinds of other creeks and things just coming into one spot right here, and lots of water flow, as you can see. Yeah, but canoe time here. Boat ramp right here. Nice restroom here. Let's see if this works. Any of you hardcore boaters that really want to try this out, see if you can scan this QR code. Part of the Willamette River Water Trail. That's pretty cool. And the restrooms are locked. Could be closed for the season. Maybe COVID, hard to say.
If I can't help falling in love with you, like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes.
Well, thank you for watching. God bless. Take care. And don't stop thinking for yourself.